Hey guys, this is Patrick with Team One Automotive. We are here with George.
George.
How'd you hear about us, George?
Well, I heard about you. I had some suspension work done on the car, and I needed to get it aligned. And everybody that I've talked to said Team One Auto has a pit, so I came over here and to get a four-wheel alignment, and that's how I heard about it.
Awesome. What else have we done?
Well, for this car, you guys have done not only alignment, but you've done there's an RXT clutch in here. The biggest thing that you've done in this car were the brakes, and those are the things that you can see. The brakes on this car are phenomenal. They are Willwood Aero 6 kit up front and an Aero 4 kit out back, 14-inch rotors in all four corners. And that was the biggest thing you guys have done for me because we had to get it to stop.
And they look amazing.
And they do look amazing.
Yes. Awesome. Well, would you refer us to friends and family?
I absolutely would. You know, and this is one of the things that I did was a review on this place when I first did it, came here. And the thing that really got me was when the technician brought me the car, he closed the door with the door handle. And that might seem trivial to some people, but that was huge to me. So I definitely would refer this place to anybody.
Awesome. Well, that's what we like to hear.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks guys. We'll see you on the next one.